In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can turn on Do Not Disturb automatically when you arrive at a location or a destination. This may come in handy if you go to church. My wife goes to church, and when she arrives at that church, what she can do is have her phone go into Do Not Disturb or turn on Do Not Disturb automatically. And then when she leaves, it turns it back off. So then she will not receive any distractions while she's at church. Let's see how we do this. Let's go over to my iPhone. Now where we set this up is in the Settings app. So I tap on Settings. And then what we need to do is we need to go to Focus. This is where we set up all of our Do Not Disturb as well as other focus profiles. Now, if you want to learn more about these other focus profiles and how to create your own, take a look at another video that I created earlier on focus profiles. I have a link for it in the description. These focus profiles allow you to customize your Do Not Disturb, who you receive notifications from, which apps you receive notifications from. So if you want to learn more about focus profiles, take a look at that. What we're going to do in this one is we're just going to go with the simple Do Not Disturb. We don't want to receive any notifications. This is what Do Not Disturb does. So I tap on Do Not Disturb. And then we're not going to allow any people, any apps, or anything like that. All we're going to do is just swipe up until we see Set a Schedule. And the schedule that we want to set is when we arrive at a location. So now what I do is I just tap on Add a Schedule here, and then you're going to see Location. All I have to do is just tap on Location, and I put in the location. So let's go with the location. Beth goes to St. Francis. So I type in here the location. It's in Holland. And we have her church up here. So now all I need to do is just tap on that, and you're going to see that when she arrives in this area here, what's going to happen is it's going to go into Do Not Disturb. And then when she leaves, it'll turn back off. Now what you are able to do is adjust this circle. So what you can do is you can make this a little bit smaller or larger. So if you wanted to pin it down to just the church there, so you don't want it to go off when you're driving by the location, you can change the size of that circle there. So now we have it all set. I tap on Done. And now our Do Not Disturb will turn on when I arrive at that church, and then when I leave, it'll turn back off. So that's basically all we have to do to automate our Do Not Disturb based on location. All we have to do is just go into the Settings app, and then you go to Focus, and then Do Not Disturb. From there, what you're going to want to do is schedule when it is turned on. And in this case here, we want to schedule to turn on when we arrive at a specific location. So that's how you can schedule Do Not Disturb or turn on Do Not Disturb based on your location on the iPhone.